The mice now is moving to its own direction, but I will show you how to rescue it. But I think that it escapes from these ants. These ants, because when they sit on it, this kind of ants, they will kill it. So it's tried to move away from the ants. The ants are very close to these mice, herded mice. So it is moving to the direction that it thinks it is safe. I have tried to give it a food, but it was a rice pad and flour, but it didn't eat. But I'm trying to follow it up to its direction. Maybe it has got its home. So I'm trying to search its home so that when I find it, I can go there and give it the food and rescue it from the bad situations that it seems someone has beaten it. So it moves like you see these ants. These ants are very close to it, very close to these mice. So when they move, are close to the place of these mice, this mice is ghost disturbed, so it moves. So I'm trying to find its direction. That's why you can think yourself that why am I recording this while this why am I recording this and this might be rescued from these bad situations. I'm trying to find its homes, the place where it used it to live, because this mice is small, it's not a big one. So I'm trying to find its home. Now I think myself that it is seeking for its place that it used to live. That's why I'm trying to follow its direction so that I can know where it lives, so that I can rescue it from by providing the foods and some other stuffs for it. And now this mouse is moving to its home. It's moved again to its home slowly because it has been hurt, so it cannot move normally as other mice. So it moves slow and think of tired and some sort of kind of condition, so it can't move normally. So I'm following its steps to its home so that I can give it and the other foods so that it can rest to provide the mice services. Let's go. Rescue, mouse. Rescue. Move to your home. Move to your home. Move to your home, young mice. Move. You see, there's some other ants are moved very close to it. Maybe they want to eat it. I'm trying to rescue. Mice, you do move. Move to your home. Move to your home. Move. Now it moves. You see, it moves. Move. Move to your home. Move. I gave you some rices, some flowers you didn't eat. Move to your home. If you could talk, maybe you could tell me what kind of food you could eat. Move. You see, move. You see, I think that there's some blood clots in its back. You see, there's blood in its back places, so it can't move. There's big wound over there. I didn't think it is been hurted very, 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 very badly. You see, it seems like it has died, but it can move. You see, lady, mice, move, 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 move. It can move. You see, maybe that's its harm. Yeah, yeah, maybe that's its home. Let's wait. Let me go and follow some other parts and other kinds of food to give it. Maybe it feels very hungry, so it cannot move better. I'll be right back very soon. It's very tired because it moves with two legs. You see, this is the place that on its spot that he's been hurted. You see, look, but I'm sure I will help her. I help this mice. Keep on subscribing this channel. I will help this mice. I will show its progress to this channel. I'm sure. It's very tired. This mice is very tired. See the way it's breath. See, look, 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 look. This mice is very tired because it moves with two legs. You see, this is the place that on its spot that he's been hurted. You see, look, but I'm sure I will help her. I help this mice. Keep on subscribing this channel. I will help this mice. I will show its progress to this channel. I'm sure. Go to your homes, young mice. Go. Let me help you. Of course you can. Move. Nice. Haha. Oh. Where are you moving? Where are you to? It's got some rests. Hey. Move to your arm. Move. Go to your homes, young mice. Go. Let me help you. Of course you can. Move. Nice. Haha. Oh. Where are you moving? Where are you to? It's got some rests. Hey. Move, 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 Jihan. Move, 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 move.